banana boat. I still get my money talking. I still be going That's how we ball out. 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 That leg cost $100 bills.
Ikaw maya na to. Woo! Nakakamiss din pala yung feeling na yun, yung hapong-hapo, nakakamiss yun. Kaya if you guys don't know, sa mga bagong blooms, ang talagang passion ko, I really started as a dancer, even way back in Isabela. Speaking of Isabela, andito yung mga OG na tropa ko, sila yung mga nanonood sa akin noon. Yes, and nakakatuwa kasi sa first ever concert namin, talagang nag-dance lang ako. Don't worry, sa next concert, sing naman. Gusto niyo naman? Joke lang, ayoko. Ayun, and oh my gosh. Kailan ako papagipigil na umiyak kasi dito si Ama. Ama, alis mo na, I can't perform. Ian Bloom, kumala siyang nonchalant sa mga videos namin. Ayun, and I'm really happy to be performing in front of all of you. Pangarap lang natin to noon. And now we're here, I can't believe na matagal pa guys, matagal pa matapos. So, we still have a long show. Do you guys want more? One more? Do you guys want more? Okay, bye-bye. BRB.